Encountering the Marketplace isn't available to you message on Facebook Marketplace through your iPhone can be quite bothersome. Here's how you can address this issue. Ensure your Facebook app and iOS are up to date. Make sure both your Facebook app and iOS are updated to their latest versions. Sometimes, compatibility issues arise with older software versions. Check your location settings, navigate to your iPhone's settings, then privacy, and finally location services. Clear app cache and data within the Facebook app. Head to Settings, Privacy, then Settings. Scroll down to Media and Contacts and select Clear History and Clear Cache to remove any stored data that might be causing the issue. Consider reinstalling the Facebook app if the problem persists. Try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Facebook app. This can often resolve any underlying issues or corrupted files. Seek assistance from Facebook support. If none of the above steps work, it's advisable to reach out to Facebook support for further assistance. They may provide personalized troubleshooting steps or insights specific to your account. By following these tailored steps, you should be able to address the Marketplace isn't available to you. Issue on Facebook for iPhone, restoring your access to Marketplace features.